Hello students, so we are covering digestive system of frog. In last video we have covered alimentary canal, and in this video we are going to cover digestive glands in case of frog, which include gastric glands, liver, pancreas and intestinal glands. Let's discuss in detail one by one. Coming to the gastric glands, where they are present on the stomach. So this is stomach, and they are tubular pits in the mucous membrane of stomach. Yes, we know there is digestion going on in stomach, intestine. Alimentary canal is taking part in the digestion of food. So there will be mucous membrane present in the stomach, intestine. Yes, we need some secretions which are helpful in the digestion. So gastric glands are what? They are tubular pits, tube-like structures in the mucous membrane of stomach. And as we have studied, anterior part of stomach is known as the cardiac part, while the posterior part of stomach is known as the pyloric part. Clear? So these gastric glands which are present on the anterior part of stomach, which means which are present on the cardiac part, they are longer and branched. So gastric glands which are present in this portion, they will be much branched and longer, while in the posterior part of stomach will be shorter. So this is the difference between gastric glands of cardiac and pyloric stomach. Next, gastric glands pour their secretions, what their secretion will be known as gastric juice, into the cavity of stomach. So here there will be some gastric glands, so they pour their secretions, gastric juices, into the cavity of stomach. Now these juices aid in the digestion. In case of gastric gland which are present in the stomach, their location is important. It can be objective type question also. So gastric glands are present where? They are present in the stomach. And what type of secretion they are like releasing? So gastric juices, where? In the cavity of stomach. So this is all about gastric gland. Now coming to next gland, that is liver. Now look at the position of liver. So here it is present in the anterior region of frog body. So this slightly brownish color, this one. So this is our liver. This is large, dark red. Yes, we can see where it is present in the anterior part of body cavity. So this is body cavity of a frog and it is present in the anterior part. Now look at this structure of liver. It consists two main lobes. We can see, yes, this is right lobe, this one. This is right lobe of liver and this is left lobe of liver. Further you can see left lobe is further divided into two. Here you can see this is one part, this is another part. So left lobe is further divided into two lobes again. Now look at this structure, this one, circular saccular structure. This is nothing but this is gallbladder. So let's look at the structure of gallbladder. It is thin walled, greenish and spherical sac. Yes, we can see it is spherical in structure and greenish and thin walled, where it is lying between two main lobes of liver. Yes, we can see this is right lobe, this is left lobe, and gallbladder is lying between these two lobes on the dorsal side. Here you can see. So this is our liver. In this case, it has shown in violet color, present on the dorsal side, and between position is where? Between two main lobes. So this is the position of gallbladder. Now liver secretes greenish liquid, that is bile. We very well know bile is secreted by liver, which is stored in the gallbladder. Now liver secreting bile and its storage place is where? Gallbladder. So bile is secreted by which organ? Liver, and stored where? Gallbladder. Very important. Now bile brought to gallbladder by small hepatic duct. Yes, we can see liver. Hepatic word is related to what? Liver. And any duct which is arising from the liver will be known as the hepatic duct. Now yes, we are knowing that bile is secreted by liver. There will be some hepatic ducts, that mean liver ducts. They are carrying biles from liver to where? Gallbladder. Clear? Now bile is getting brought to gallbladder by these small hepatic ducts. Yes, and here there is storage. Now you can see this duct rising from the gallbladder as well as liver. So there is a common duct here. Now this bile is carried away to the duodenum. So this part is our duodenum, part of small intestine. Now this bile is getting carried away to duodenum by bile duct. Okay, so here, so gallbladder is storing bile. Now this bile getting carried away to duodenum through which bile duct. So this is our bile duct. Clear? Now some hepatic ducts open directly into the bile ducts. What happens? So this is our hepatic duct which was carrying what? Bile to where? Gallbladder. And from the gallbladder, bile is carried away to duodenum through which? Bile duct. Now there can be a situation that these hepatic ducts can directly open into the bile duct. They are not going away to gallbladder, but they are directly open into the bile duct. Okay, so this can be a situation. Now bile duct run backward through pancreas and receive pancreatic duct from it. Now you can see this irregular shape structure. This is our pancreas. Now you see there are some small ducts arising from the pancreas too. Now these pancreatic duct are getting mixed with this bile duct. Now this will called as the hepatopancreatic duct. Hepato means liver and pancreatic word is related to pancreas. So this duct is now carrying pancreatic duct as well as bile duct. So now this common duct is known as the hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, now terminal part of this bile duct which open into the duodenum called the hepatopancreatic duct, as we have studied, or common bile pancreatic duct. Okay, so I have explained why we are calling it the hepatopancreatic duct as well as common bile, because it is now common duct carrying as hepatic duct as well as pancreatic duct. This is all about liver. Now third digestive gland present in case of frog is pancreas. Yes, we have seen this irregular structure, this one. So this is our pancreas. It is irregular. We can see here its lining is irregular. It is a elongated. Yes, you see it's starting from here to here. So it is a elongated structure as well as it is cream colored. So gallbladder was greenish in color while pancreas in cream colored. Where it is situated? In the mesentery between stomach and duodenum. Now look at these structures. This one, let me show with the help of pen. So this structure, so these are what are mesenteries. What we understand by mesenteries are folding of skin. We can see here this. Now this pancreas is situated where? In mesenteries. Yes, we can see pancreas is immersed in mesentery between stomach. Yes, there is stomach and duodenum. Now this is duodenum, this is stomach, and pancreas is located in between of these two parts. Okay, it's the situation. Now secretions of pancreas are known as the pancreatic juice, which is carried away by several pancreatic duct into bile duct. Now in last slide we have studied these pancreatic ducts getting immersed with the bile duct. Now these pancreatic duct carrying what? Pancreatic juices, and they are getting poured into this common bile duct. Okay, so this is the purpose of our pancreas. Now last gland is known as the intestinal gland. Name is showing like intestinal gland means they are present in intestine. Okay, where they are present? In the mucous membrane of intestine. Yes, we know there is digestion going on in stomach as well as intestine, so there will be mucous membrane. We need secretions. Now these intestinal glands are present in the mucous membrane of intestine, and their secretions are known as the intestinal juice. Very simple. Organ related name, intestinal juice, secreted by what? Intestinal glands. Where? Into intestinal cavity. So there is a cavity running. Okay, in every organ, like in stomach there will be stomach cavity, in intestine there is intestinal cavity. So now intestinal glands are secreting some intestinal juice into your intestinal cavity. These four are primary digestive gland in case of frog. Which one? Let me repeat: gastric glands, liver, pancreas, and intestinal glands. Besides these digestive glands, mucus glands occur in the wall of entire alimentary canal. They secrete lubricating fluid that is known as the mucus. What we understand: alimentary canal, as I have told you, alimentary canal starting from the mouth and ending into the anus. So this whole tube, this cloaca, rectum, then intestine, then stomach, and then coming to esophagus, then buccopharyngeal cavity, and then mouth. This is our alimentary canal. In this whole alimentary canal, there will be some mucus glands. Yes, we know there is like digestion going on in whole part of alimentary canal. We need secretion for digestion. So there are mucus glands present in complete alimentary canal, which are secreting some lubricating fluid, that is mucus, which is helping in digestion. So this is all about digestive system of frog. Thank you so much.